Hi, Chris Mc Loone here with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. Welcome to this edition of our Unbox series. As you can see today, we're going to be taking a look at a light. It's the Koehler BrightStar B.F.L area light. That is a big freaking light. So let's get this thing unboxed, take a look at it, and see how it works. Okay, now that we have it out of the box, let's take a closer look at the light itself. The B.F.L area light is only 3.5 pounds. That means you can grab it from the truck very quickly, very easily, get it to wherever you need to go. Now, where might you use this? Well, you could use it during overhaul if the power has been secured to a structure. You could also use it at the scene of an accident, either on the ground, or there are strong magnets that allow you to attach the light to any steel surface, and the light can pivot 200 degrees. You can also easily take this light into an embankment or down into the woods if a vehicle has left the road. Now, let's talk about the power of the light. You can go to 3,000 lumens with this light, but also there is also a light color. You can go from a bright white to a more warm yellow, and that's going to be 2700K warm yellow to 6500K cool white. Let's demonstrate that, but to demonstrate it, really we want to put on our gloves to demonstrate how easy it is to use this with a gloved hand. Again, easy to grab with the gloved hand. Very easy to use the two knobs. There are two knobs on the back here. One will operate the power to the light. The other will operate the warmth of that, whether you want the more yellow or the more white. Now, on the back here as well, there's a battery indicator to indicate how much battery charge you have left. To charge this light, you use this adapter, and there is a port here to either charge the light, or there's also a USB port that you can use to charge a phone or anything else on the scene that you may need to charge while you are there. So again, this is the B.F.L area light. It is a big freaking light. You get 2.5 hours to 56 hours on a full charge. So again, this has been Chris Mc Loone, Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment Magazine, with this edition of our Unbox series. Don't forget to stay safe and have a good one.